Let's take a look at one of my favorite categories, instant karma.
What are you looking at, Sydney? Yeah. Think you're looking at me? Smiling at Mama? You're not. That's what you're smiling at. Yeah.
Brody, can you leave the TV on, please?
Look at you smiling at the fan, talking. Brody, be careful, please, okay? Good job. Whoop. Whoop, careful, buddy. Sydney. Hey, look at Mama and smile. Why do you get so excited by the fan? Huh? What are you trying to say? Hey, look at me. You are so obsessed with that fan. Hi, pretty girl. Still looking at the fan, huh? Your brother used to do that too, silly. What are you trying to tell the fan? Oh, pretty girl. You gonna look at Mama? You gonna look at me? Are you watching TV?